Okay, I got my gauge. It's 0 to 120. All the wires are labeled. It's hard to see, but they're all labeled. It's got a little connector in the back. And then it's laid out. You put a nice touch right here too if you're not sure. And it shows you which way your GPS is supposed to go. Should be flat. It's a screw on, which is kind of nice. So all we gotta do is mark it out and drill us a hole. So I decided I'm gonna do it right here. Well, not right here, but I'm gonna put it to the left. About there. And then I'm just gonna scribe it with a pick. I don't know where my marker is. Okay, so I got my basic outline. I'm gonna cut it a little bit bigger than that. Actually, maybe not. This is kind of tapered. This is way wider than the inside of this. It's hard to explain, but I can't go bigger than here because it'll just go through it. But I think if I cut it there, the gauge will slip right in, no problem. Well, I don't have a hole saw that big, so I'm just gonna kind of play it by ear. Okay, got that. Stuck one. Just gotta be careful because I don't want it to grab and then scratch the shit out of it. So I'm just trying to take my time and try to do what I can to get it done. It's hard to see my own mark. Alright, this hole's kind of shitty, but I think these fucking cameras, man, I gotta get something different. I think white. God damn it. Come on, man. That's why I hate working with shit when I don't have the right tools. So here we go, we're all mounted. Tight here. Now let's get in the truck. Alright, so we gotta find the ignition wire. I got the battery hooked up. So we gotta find. Here's one. Okay, so we got one. We got one right here. Okay, so we can use that as a. Either of those two is ignition. I think this one's the left and this one's the right. And I want to say this one's a high beam, but I can't remember. So it should flash. Okay, so that's left. That one's right. And if I turn the headlights on, okay, that's high beam. I think it's this one. It's not that one. Okay, it's that one. This one's my high beam. So I got a jumper into all those. And okay, so this one here, I'm gonna use that as my hot. Kind of hard to see, but I'm just doing the best I can. Strip these. I got this blue here. So the blinker's got double wires. This is gonna be my high. I still gotta find the ground wire. So now I got that stripped. I know the pink was the hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and jumper or hook the, if I can do it. What the fuck? Well, I was gonna try. I don't know what the hell's going on with that. Alright, we're gonna hook that up. Now I gotta find the ground, so now that one end is on the hot, just gotta be careful what I touch here. Probably be this one. No, there's no. I wonder if that's even touching. Alright, so that's gonna be my ground. I know because I can turn all this on, I can hit that, hit my brake. Okay, so we're gonna say that's ground. I can go ahead and pull this one off. Turn the key back off. I was just gonna unpin it, but I just decided to cut it. Because there's no turning back. Alright, so. Alright, so now that I know which ones I need, which ones I don't need, I'm going to go ahead and tape this up. these out. I don't need these anymore. No, I'm not taking any chances on that. Okay, so we're just gonna tuck that away. We'll never see that again. I'm gonna go ahead and can't find my crimpers anywhere. So I'm gonna shade tree mechanic it and just use some pliers. And then I will shrink wrap it so I know it's not gonna come apart from the hook. I gotta get better lights in here. And over that one. Okay, that one's on there. I can't wait to have power in my garage next year. Well, if I'm still here anyway. Because I'm getting real tired of fucking around in the dark. Miss the old house, because the old house at least had power and shit. Okay, there's all my wires. I don't know what this yellow one's for. Oh, there was actually one other one. Shit. We're gonna hook double up here in a second. All right, so before we get too far and I forget, we need to slide this in here. Forget to do it and hook all the wires and then get pissed because I gotta redo it. Okay, so I know black is black. It's pretty. Black, strip that. Okay, this is my ground. Man, that's a little short. Okay, I'm gonna slide this over first. Try a smaller one on the next one here. Alright, so we just got to do that a whole bunch of times. Okay, got everything hooked up. I don't have everything hooked up. I don't have the GPS hooked up to it yet. I just want to test the indicators. There's left. There's right. And there's high beams. Check that out. It comes with a button to reset, but I'm not sure actually where it goes. It has one wire. What wire is it? Yeah, it has an external button right here, but the directions don't tell me what to connect the other side to, so I got to look into that a little bit. So it's sampling, but because it's in the pole barn, it's not going to show up. I just stuck it in the window for now. That's where it actually tells you to do it. I'm just going to leave it there for right now, just because I don't know if it's going to work. I'm inside, so it's not going to connect because the pole barn won't let me. Okay, there we go. All installed. Now I just got to get a day and test it out. I did figure out the little button. You got to use a positive wire, and then hook your gray wire to it, and then it'll reset. Not much I can do with it today because it's not going to connect, because there's nothing to connect. So until it's connected, I really can't do much. I got to pull it back off and turn this a little bit because it's a little crooked. And then I still got to super glue this and put the vent on, and that will be done. So I like this more than my other gauges that didn't work, because now I don't have to worry about if the speed's right. And then I just gotta double check when I get out on the road that it's accurate, because I don't mind making a mark on this, but when you're trying to watch the other one and it's bouncing, it's hard to determine what speed you're going, and I don't want to use my phone. And now I don't have that gauge up here either, so now I'm really open, and it makes it look a lot nicer. So I still got to do disconnect somewhere I can reach it. That way I can shut the battery off in case something happens. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I want it somewhere in within reach, I guess you'd say. And then if I do race, I know a lot of places want one in reach. I know a lot of places want a loop on the drive shaft too, which I don't have yet. So just little things. Can't wait till spring. Catch you next time.